This is Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay guys, we're here at this house here. It's a really old house, early 1900s, over 100 years old. We've got a light here with a sensor on it and a yellow wire that comes out of it and onto the roof. So let's do a little investigating here and see what we find here. Okay, so here we are. It's very windy today, so I hope you can hear me. But you can see here, we found the fixture. We got a yellow wire. You can see this thing is just torn up, hammered from this metal roof rubbing here. Runs all across, all the way across the roof, down this way. Okay, and let's go down there and see where we find it. Okay, so here we are back on the ground here, and there's the yellow wire going into this window. This is actually the garage on the back side of this window. So let's go in and see what else we find here. All right, and here we are. We find ourselves in the garage. Yellow cable through the window and plugged in right here to the outlet. My friends, that's a big no-no, 100%. But when you got a homeowner doing their crazy things, that's what you get, right? So they've run this extension cord all the way across the roof, out the window, where it's getting damaged in the elements, and hardwired it into a light fixture. So again, like I said, big no-no. Great find here. Took a little investigating, but we found it. So good job on you guys for coming with me. This is Brandon with Idaho Elite Inspection Team. We'll see you on the next one.